Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen ë-C5 Aircross. We'll just switch the ignition on and then we'll go to the phone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth. Watch out at the bottom right. Now here you've got phone, you've got the mode or home, click on there, media, my devices, mirror screen, navigation, phone, connect device. Vehicle is now visible as my Citroen. There we go. So on there, it's picking up all my GoPros as well. Click on my Citroen. Pairing code 422245, confirm, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow Barry's iPhone 17 Pro connected, connect to CarPlay, yes, the best system ever. Barry's iPhone, your device supports Apple CarPlay, yes. So that's it, that's the Apple CarPlay display. So we're connected to Apple CarPlay. Phone's in your pocket. You don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel. Got voice control here. If you press it for 2 seconds. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just testing this ë-C5 from Just Citroen at Preston. It's really good. I like it.
It's really good. I like it. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now, that's the text coming now. Your messages have come up. You can't look at your phone, but you want to know what it was and who sent the message. Again, read messages.
Barry said I'm just testing this ë-C5 from Just Sitting at Preston. It's really good. I like it. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
You want to make a phone call? Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Hi, this is Barry. Sorry I can't take your call at the moment.
And that was ringing my phone, obviously. I'm ringing myself and it's engaged because I'm dialing out. Listen to voice messages.
I found one new voicemail from +44 116 493 0076, left at 10:31 a.m. Here it is.
Hello, this is Dior from Reform UK's membership team. This is a message from Barry.
Would you like to repeat that or call back?
Cancel. End, please.
Okay, I won't do it.
So messages, text, you want to listen to music. Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
You want to listen to a particular record. Play Edge of 17 by Stevie Nicks.
Now playing Edge of 17 by Stevie Nicks on Apple Music.
Fantastic sound system in here. Navigation. Voice activation button. 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You'll see there, you've got quickest route and so on. But if you don't touch it, it will just assume that you want to go there because you've asked it to, and you will go. So now it will navigate to Manchester Airport. If I want to stop off on the way, go somewhere else, I get a call, I need to drop something off, whatever. You don't need to then stop, pull off the motorway, find a service station, then mess about with it. All you have to do is take me to Starbucks.
One possibility is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 8 minutes to your route. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
Thank you.
Of course.
Just because it's artificial intelligence, don't forget your manners. So that's it. So that will take me to Starbucks and then continue on the way to Manchester Airport. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.